What you got there? It's going to be number 2 on you, right, for 660? Yeah. Second time. We got it tuned up, though, don't we?
Yeah, I think it's good now.
You helped me with that 1 1/4 on there. All right, go for it, man. Probably caught on some branches. It's probably held up from these branches.
Yeah, it's cut all the way through.
It's wedged all the way.
I missed it, but
Yeah,
it's cut.
yeah, it's powered up finally. We got that thing tuned in right. I don't think it's lacking power.
Not at all.
You like?
Totally different than the first time.
That's some of my 660s. They work okay. They work good in professional hands for a couple years. Professional grade is what I call them. Like, subscribe, share, take care.